Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for shop advanceautoparts.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel, non-CTN, I provide promo codes for so much other companies. Like recently, I upload a new video on Yankee Candle, Zoom, WHBM, White House Black Market, Wayfair, Vivid Seeds, Water, and so much other. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so much other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So you will get 15% off sidewise brakes included. So let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you 15% off. So the code number one is RM, then N15. Yeah, this is the code number one. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So this is the only available valid code right now. So redeem this code and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.